Welcome back, superstars! How smart are you? Can you beat the timer before it runs out? Welcome to the Bright Minds Math Quiz Challenge. Test your skills with these fun and exciting division and multiplication questions. Ready to race the clock? Let's jump right in. Calculate 12 divided by 3. It's D4. What is 18 divided by 6? It's A3. What is 20 divided by 4? It's B5. What is 36 divided by 6? It's C6. What is 30 divided by 5? It's A6. What is 15 divided by 3? It's B5. Calculate 49 divided by 7. It's A7. What is 24 divided by 8? It's B3. What is 16 divided by 2? It's D8. What is 72 divided by 9? It's B8. What is 81 divided by 9? It's A9. Calculate 25 divided by 5. It's D5. What is 45 divided by 9? It's A5. What is 14 divided by 7? It's A2. What is 12 divided by 4? It's C3. What is 28 divided by 7? It's A4. Calculate 16 divided by 4. It's B4. What is 48 divided by 8? It's C6. What is 21 divided by 3? It's B7. What is 40 divided by 8? It's A5. How did you do? Let's try multiplication now. What is 3 times 4? It's B12. What is 2 times 6? It's C12. Calculate 5 times 7. It's C, 35. What is 4 times 8? It's A, 32. What is 9 times 3? It's B, 27. What is 10 times 2? It's A, 20. Calculate 6 times 6. It's B, 36. What is 7 times 8? It's A, 56. What is 7 times 3? It's A, 21. What is 3 times 9? It's B, 27. Calculate 2 times 12. It's A, 24. What is 4 times 5? It's B, 20. What is 5 times 5? It's C, 25. What is 8 times 2? It's A, 16. What is 6 times 4? It's B, 24. What is 1 times 21? It's A, 21. Fantastic job, superstar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun math challenges. Thanks for playing, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.